Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the machine learning model in Affinity to select objects easily. Let's begin. First select Edit, and below you can see the settings. Go to Setting. In this window, select Machine Learning. You can see the segmentation option, and it is free. You need to download it. Select this toggle switch to activate this option. Wait for the model download. After the download is done, close the window. Next, go select the Object Selection tool. Select your image, and here it says Background. Now you can see the model is getting the objects in this image. You can select what you want, and you can also select multiple options. I choose 2 vehicles and 1 person. Now I will show how to separate those selected objects. I will simply copy and paste it by pressing Ctrl C and Ctrl V. This is just for demonstration. You can do various things by selecting these objects. Alright, that's it for this quick guide. Thanks for watching, and feel free to try this out on your own images.